Hey there, Zachy Crypto Update fam. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest and greatest in the crypto world. If you're passionate about cryptocurrencies, you're in the right place. Today, we're focusing on Shiba Inu, one of the most talked about meme coins in the crypto universe. This video will be a deep dive into Shiba Inu's recent price movements, whale activity, and the potential for a price recovery that could see Shiba Inu heading toward that elusive $1 mark. Let's start by setting the stage. On August 27th, the crypto market experienced a significant crash that sent shockwaves across the board. Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrencies, saw a sharp decline, dragging the rest of the market down with it. Shiba Inu was no exception. Shiba Inu's price dropped by about 6.5%, which may not sound like a lot in the grand scheme of things, but for those of us who watch every percentage point like a hawk, it was a notable dip. This drop wasn't just a fluke. It was part of a broader market correction that saw many major cryptocurrencies shedding value. Market corrections like this are a normal part of the crypto cycle, but they can be nerve-wracking, especially when you're holding assets that are already volatile like Shiba Inu. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Despite the price drop, Shiba Inu whales, those large holders who control significant portions of the token supply, didn't panic. In fact, they saw this dip as a golden opportunity. Instead of offloading their Shiba Inu tokens, they started accumulating more. According to data from Sentiment, whale activity involving transactions of $100,000 or more spiked to a monthly high, the highest we've seen since July 18th. This surge in whale activity is crucial because whales often have access to advanced market analysis and insider information that retail traders may not. When whales make a move, it's often a signal that something big is on the horizon. But why is this important for you, the everyday Shiba Inu holder? When whales accumulate a particular asset, it's generally seen as a bullish sign. These large holders aren't just playing with pocket change, they're making strategic moves based on data and market sentiment. So the fact that they're loading up on Shiba Inu at these prices suggests they believe the recent dip is temporary and that a recovery could be just around the corner. To understand why whale accumulation is significant, let's delve deeper into the mechanics of how whales influence the market. Whales can drive up the price of an asset through sheer buying power. When they start accumulating, they create buying pressure that can counteract selling pressure from other market participants. In simple terms, if enough whales are buying, they can stabilize the price and even push it higher. This isn't just speculation. Data from Iniplox shows that large holders' net flow, essentially the amount of Shiba Inu moving in and out of whale wallets, was positive between August 26 and 27. This indicates that these whales were adding more Shiba Inu to their portfolios during the price crash. In a market as speculative and sentiment-driven as crypto, these actions can create a self-fulfilling prophecy, where the mere act of whales buying leads to a price increase. But it's not just whale activity that's setting the stage for a potential Shiba Inu recovery. There's something even more exciting happening within the Shiba Inu community, the launch of a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO. For those of you who might be new to the concept, a DAO is a decentralized governance model that gives token holders the power to vote on key decisions within the project. Think of it as a democratic system where your Shiba Inu tokens act like voting shares in the company. The more tokens you hold, the more influence you have. According to Lucy, the head of marketing for Shiba Inu, the purpose of launching this DAO is to give the community a voice in the project's future direction. This could range from deciding on new partnerships, approving development projects, or even funding community-driven initiatives. So why is this important for Shiba Inu's price? The DAO could significantly boost investor confidence. When holders feel they have a say in the project's future, they're more likely to stay invested for the long term. This could lead to increased demand for Shiba Inu tokens, driving up the price. Moreover, the DAO could attract new investors who are interested in being part of a project where they have a direct influence. This influx of new participants could add another layer of buying pressure, further supporting a potential price recovery. While whales are making moves with long-term potential in mind, retail traders have been playing the short game. The recent price drop provided an opportunity for some to short Shiba Inu and make quick profits. Shorting is a strategy where traders bet on the price of an asset falling. If the price does indeed drop, they can buy back the asset at a lower price and pocket the difference. In the short term, this can create additional selling pressure, which could push the price down even further. However, this also sets the stage for a potential short squeeze. A short squeeze occurs when the price of an asset starts to rise unexpectedly, forcing those who have shorted the asset to buy it back quickly to cover their positions. This sudden buying activity can lead to a rapid price increase, further fueling the recovery. But there's a flip side to this story. Despite the whale accumulation and the exciting prospects of the DAO, Shiba Inu's popularity seems to be waning. According to data from Sentiment, Shiba Inu's social dominance, essentially how much people are talking about it on social media, has dropped to 0.268%, the lowest it's been in a year. This suggests that fewer people are discussing Shiba Inu, which could be a sign that the hype is fading. This drop in social dominance is concerning because in the world of meme coins, popularity is a critical driver of price. When people stop talking about a meme coin, it can lose the momentum that drives its price up. Additionally, there's currently more negative sentiment surrounding Shiba Inu than positive, which could further impact its price in the short term. Another factor to consider is the Shiba Inu burn rate. For those unfamiliar, burning refers to the process of permanently removing tokens from circulation, effectively reducing the total supply. The idea is that by decreasing the supply, the value of the remaining tokens should increase, assuming demand remains constant. However, recent data from the SHIB platform shows that the burn rate has dropped significantly. Over the last 24 hours, only 261,691 Shiba Inu tokens were burned, compared to over 7 million tokens burned just a day earlier. That's a nearly 100% decrease, which is concerning for those hoping to see a price increase driven by token scarcity. So what's causing this decline in the burn rate? One possibility is that Shiba Inu holders are holding on to their tokens in anticipation of a price recovery. If they believe the price is about to rise, they may be less willing to burn their tokens, opting instead to sell them at a higher price in the future. Another possibility is that the decline in the burn rate could be a sign of diminishing enthusiasm among the community, which could be contributing to the drop in Shiba Inu's popularity. So where does this leave us? Despite the recent price drop, concerns about fading popularity, and a declining burn rate, Shiba Inu remains a strong project with a dedicated community. The current market downturn is part of a broader market correction, and it's worth noting that Shiba Inu has recovered from similar dips in the past. In fact, some analysts believe that Shiba Inu could see a significant price recovery in the coming weeks based on historical price patterns and the recent spike in whale activity. There's a possibility that Shiba Inu could surge by as much as 35% in the near term, reaching a price of 0.0000017401740. However, it's important to approach any price predictions with caution. The crypto market is incredibly volatile, and while there are opportunities for gains, there are also significant risks involved. While the focus of this video has been on the short-term price action, it's also essential to consider Shiba Inu's long-term potential. In conclusion, Shiba Inu is at a critical juncture. The recent price drop has created both challenges and opportunities for the token. While there are concerns about fading popularity and a declining burn rate, the surge in whale activity and the upcoming launch of the DAO suggest that there could be brighter days ahead for Shiba Inu holders. Whether or not the token can recover to $1 remains to be seen.